taking you into a state of trance.
We were born ready, ready to be free, chasing every thrill we could see. With our eyes steady, waking to a dream, aching to be thrown in the ring. If nothing comes easy, as long as we're breathing, we'll go all the way or go home. We were born ready, wherever it leads, what we have is all we need. 'Cause if it's fast or slow, all I really know is I'm gonna enjoy the ride. And if it's hard or soft, before we get off, I'm gonna enjoy the ride, enjoy the ride.
And there you have it, the world premiere of my remix for the new Corella single, Enjoy the Ride. They asked me to trance it up. Let me know what you think of this remix. Use the hashtag ASOT652.
Take me back, yeah, back to summer paradise. My heart is sinking as I'm lifting up above the clouds away from you. And I can't believe I'm leaving. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in the sand. 'Cause I remember every sunset, I remember every word you said, and we were never gonna say my soul is broken, streets are frozen, I can't stop these feelings melting through. And I'd give away 1,000 days, oh, just to have another one with you. What'd you say? Where real life can wait, it can wait. We're crashing like waves, we're playing in the sand, me and you, holding your head. Sunset, I remember every word you said, and we were never gonna say goodbye.
Summer evenings, now you're not next to me and I am freezing. Was it real or baby tell me was I dreaming? How can you show me paradise when I'm leaving? Now my heartbeat is sinking, hope's shrinking. When I try to speak, no words, lips sinking. Hope this is not just wishful thinking. Tell me that you care and I'll be there in a heartbeat.
Someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in the sand.